Hello, travel enthusiasts! In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the top 5 places that showcase the very essence of this diverse and captivating country. From iconic historical sites to awe-inspiring natural wonders, the UK offers a rich tapestry of experiences that are second to none. Edinburgh is the capital and second largest city of Scotland, located on the eastern coast of Scotland. Renowned for its historical and cultural richness, Edinburgh stands out with its medieval structures, modern way of life, and green spaces. It has 2 parts known as the Old Town and the New Town. The Old Town is famous for its narrow streets, historic buildings, and iconic structure, Edinburgh Castle. The New Town, on the other hand, features wide streets and elegant architecture planned in the 18th century. It also hosts various events like the Edinburgh International Festival. The most famous symbol of the city, Edinburgh Castle, is situated on Castle Rock, a hill in the Old Town. It houses various buildings and exhibitions that reflect Scotland's history. Snowdonia is a captivating natural park and mountainous area complex located in the region of Wales in the United Kingdom. It owes its name to the highest peak, Snowdon, and is known for its natural beauty, rich wildlife, historical, and cultural significance. Snowdonia derives its name from Snowdon Mountain. This mountain is the highest peak in Wales, reaching up to 1,085 meters. Climbing the mountain is a popular activity for nature enthusiasts and climbers. It also offers spectacular views from the summit. Dartmoor is a vast and unique natural area and national park located in the southwest of England, in the county of Devon. This area is known for its striking granite tors, expansive forests, wildlife, and historical remnants. Dartmoor stands out with its impressive granite tors, mountains, and extensive open spaces. Some of these hills are enriched with natural granite rock formations known as tors. Dartmoor features both dense wooded areas and vast open grassy spaces. This diversity offers an ideal area for outdoor activities like hiking, biking, nature observation, and picnicking. London is the capital and largest city of the United Kingdom, serving as a significant cultural, financial, and historical hub worldwide. Situated on the banks of the River Thames, this enchanting city offers a rich experience filled with history, art, entertainment, and various activities. London is renowned for its historical landmarks, palaces, churches, and museums. Iconic structures like the Tower Bridge, Buckingham Palace, the Houses of Parliament, and Big Ben reflect the city's history. London hosts world-famous museums and art galleries. Places like the British Museum, Tate Modern, the National Gallery, and the Victoria and Albert Museum are must-visit destinations for art and culture enthusiasts. Liverpool is an important city located in the northwest region of England. Historically serving as a port city, Liverpool is known for its cultural richness, historical structures, and musical heritage. Liverpool stands out as the hometown of the world-famous music group, the Beatles. Places where the Beatles were born, raised, and started making music are popular tourist destinations. The city's waterfront area, docks, and the Albert Dock district are major attractions. Albert Dock is an area filled with museums, galleries, restaurants, and shops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.